Once upon a time, in the vibrant heart of 1980s Kingston, Jamaica, there lived a young woman named Twinkle. She was known across the dance hall for her mesmerizing moves and radiant smile. Every Friday night, she'd hit the hottest clubs, turning the dance floor into her kingdom. Her feet danced to the rhythm of the latest reggae and dancehall beats, and her spirit was as lively as the music she loved. Meanwhile, there was DJ Spinner, a young man with a magic touch behind the turntables. He was the hottest club DJ in town, spinning the freshest tracks that kept everyone on their feet. Spinner's mixes were legendary, and when he played, the whole club pulsed with energy. But Spinner had a secret. He loved more than just music. He loved watching Twinkle dance. Her passion and energy inspired him to create the perfect playlist every night. One evening, as the club filled with thumping bass and flashing lights, Spinner decided to surprise Twinkle. As she was about to take the floor, he queued up a special song, a fresh, exclusive dancehall track he'd just mixed that no one else had heard. The moment the music dropped, Twinkle's eyes lit up. She saw Spinner standing behind the decks, giving her a nod of encouragement. With a burst of confidence, Twinkle stepped onto the dance floor, moving in perfect harmony with the beat. The crowd cheered as she twirled, slid, and spun with such grace that it seemed like she was flying. Spinner watched, proud and happy, knowing his music had sparked her magic. From that night on, Twinkle and Spinner became the heart of Kingston's dancehall scene. Together, they shared a love for rhythm and movement, inspiring everyone to dance and enjoy life. And in the glow of the club's lights, their story of passion, music, and dance became a legend, reminding everyone that when you follow your heart and work together, the magic never stops.